Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is 4C of this series of 3 ways to do something. I started thinking about earlier in the day, I made a video and I converted this to a curve, and then I go to Windows and Dockers and Properties and find out how long the curve is. It's 125 inches. Well, then I had to do several steps to get it near 100. Well, why do we have to worry about that? Unless you need a specific size. If we take this and it is 121, well, let's make it at least something, 118.43. If we take this, we can very easily make it 118.43 long. Now you're going to have to go to the artistic media tool. And this, what's nice about this, you could use the same pattern for multiple circles. And so we're going to go to the artistic media tool on the brush and save it on that disc looking thing. And we're going to save it. I think earlier I used WWW, so I'm going to call it 2. And then the artistic media tool basically loads, and you can change the thickness right here. And now our arrows are nonstop. Now, if your circle has to be a perfect dimension, you could probably change it from this screen. But if you notice there's no measurement. Let's see if we take the pick tool now, get off that. See, you go right back. So maybe there's break the artistic media room apart. And you grab that, and the circle's 39 inches. Let's say you need it at 40 inches with your ratio locked. So now you have a 40-inch circle. The reason it really doesn't matter to me, because if you start off with a circle, that circle is on the inside. So you'd have to know the thickness and the whereabout. This way you know the size, and you can change the size. And of course, we need to remove that brush stroke, and I'm going to just hit delete. So you do not have to take the steps to change the size of the circle, which could be quite difficult, because if we go here and convert it to a curve, Windows, Dockers, Properties, it's not the easiest thing in the world to get it to 100. You could stretch it a little bit. And I got really lucky, but then you go, 102, and I'm really good, close, but I'm going to go 102.1, and we're pretty close. I mean, so instead of going all these steps, you could just that's pretty close. You could just very easily just change the length of your artistic media brush. And by doing that, you can make multiple brushes and size them, call them a certain, if you needed one just that long. Anyway, I hope that kind of made sense, and thank you for watching.